Good evening. It's about 6 o'clock at night and I am home from work, and I wanted to share a couple things going on in the garden. The first one is this topiary. The juniper topiary is officially dead. It completely crisped up. The entire thing is brown, not about a bit of green anywhere. So I am sad to say that it did not make it through the season. The other sad news is this arborvitae. It is pretty much completely dead. It did not survive the summer, and the one behind it is almost completely dead. It still has a little bit of green, but pretty much this is just crispy toast. This is a question for you guys. Is this what echinacea is supposed to do at the end of summer? Kind of brown up? This was the fragrant angel. This is the white swan. And I don't know, is this what it's supposed to look like? This is near my back door. And I have 5 Japanese maple whips growing right here in this small little space. I've just thrown water in here once a week or so, and they have been doing really great. I believe they came from the nearby Japanese maples that spread seed every year. I have done this before where I found seedlings around the yard and I planted them up, and last year I believe it is, I gave like 5 away to a garden club sale. I'll probably do that again next year. I need to get those out of the ground and plant them up and hold them over till next summer. The last fun thing that worked out are the foxgloves. I took a tip from Linda Votter and clipped the top off of the foxgloves from this spring and dropped them in my raised bed here, and have been throwing a little water on them occasionally, and a bunch of them have germinated. This came from my Jimmy Nardello pepper seeds, but I'm pretty sure this isn't a Jimmy Nardello. I've kind of been watching it and I'm a little terrified to try it because I don't like hot peppers, but this thing is definitely covered in lots of beautiful peppers that I am afraid of. If you know what this is, let me know. For context, this is a Jimmy Nardello pepper. The peppers grow down and they turn from green to red. They are never yellow in color, and they are a sweet pepper. Here's my other pepper issue. I shared this before. I bought this plant at Lowe's at the beginning of spring, and it was not producing peppers for a really long time. And now it has been producing peppers. Again, peppers I'm afraid of, because this was supposed to be a yellow bell pepper, but I am absolutely positive that that is not a bell pepper. What do you guys think? What is this?